tuned for the as promised application process of my customized press-ons. Now, I really do have a couple of nail videos on my channel that you can go back and reference, but I wanted to show you how I put the customized press-ons on. Truthfully, the process is exactly the same. So as you see, I'm going through and just buffing out my natural nails to remove the shine and kind of just even out my natural nails. And you are doing this so that the press-ons will actually adhere better to your nails. Now, the tip that I always suggest is that you do this right before going to bed, so you have at least 8 hours for them to adhere and basically kind of like cure without you getting them wet. So then next I go in and I trim my cuticles. This for me is the most satisfying part of the process, to be honest. It's just something about clearing out those cuticles, getting them nice and smooth, and clearing out any of the oil buildup from how your nails will produce. So I just go through carefully trimming each of my cuticles back, making sure to not cut too far back because you don't want to end up making yourself bleed. Now, my tip for this process is to go ahead and soak your nails first so that your cuticles will soften, and this will make the process so much easier. And that is normally what I will do if I have a lot of time. For this specific time, I did not, so I went ahead and did a dry trim of my cuticles, but my preference and my suggestion to you is to definitely take the time, soak your cuticles, normally about 5 to 10 minutes, give yourself a hand massage, kind of treat yourself, and then do this process of trimming your cuticles. And of course, you're just going to repeat this same process on your other hand until everything is nice and smooth. And this will allow for better application of the nails as well. So next I go in and I just kind of wipe off any of the residue from me buffing and trimming my cuticles just to get a clean base to start with before I begin to apply my press-ons to my nails. I also suggest that you go and wash your hands, apply some lotion, and then wipe the lotion off with the alcohol swab as well. So now for the fun part, which is just applying the nails to your natural nails. Since I've already gone out, measured, and made sure that each of the press-ons will fit from sidewall to sidewall, this process goes relatively quick. And so I just go ahead and begin by removing the sticky tabs and applying the press-on to my natural nail kind of at an angle so that it sits right at where my cuticle begins, and that will allow for more of a seamless look for the press-ons, which will lead to making them look like they were actually done in a salon. So with this part, you want to just kind of take your time. I really try my best to not have to lift and move them once I've started to place them down. And you don't want to go too far under your cuticle because I promise you later on it will begin to hurt and will be so uncomfortable to the point where you just have to take it off. And I can say that from experience because I have completely done that before. So I just go finger by finger, looking at each nail, pressing them on, holding it for a few seconds, and making sure to press down like the sides to make sure that that seal is extremely tight. And that will also help to prevent water getting underneath the press-on and causing it to come off early. Doing this method, especially right before bed and going to sleep right after you apply them, will normally allow for my nails to last 1 to 2 weeks, just depending on how often I'm washing dishes. Now, if you decide to apply with glue, they will definitely last longer. And here is your completed customized set of press-on nails. I think that these look so amazing. The benefits are endless. You can customize and add as much or as little bling as you want, and you're going to save money to boot. So let me know down below what you guys think of this set. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, share with a friend, and turn on that bell for notifications. And join me again next Tuesday for another DIY. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. I love you guys. Bye.